Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Alchemy online class. Yesterday I gave the homework, hope you all have done it. The homework was you have to refer the extra marks app for yesterday's topic and one question was asked. The question was, why do we get instant energy from glucose? The answer is glucose is a simple sugar, it is a simple carbohydrate. Now you know that why are we eating food? We are eating food for getting energy. Like food items such as carbohydrates are providing us with the energy. But these carbohydrates are not absorbed by the body directly. These carbohydrates to be broken down into simple form to be absorbed by the body and to get energy. But glucose itself is in the simpler form. So there is no need of further digestion of glucose. So whenever we are taking glucose, we are getting instant energy. When you are sick, doctors are advising to take glucose water. Why it is so? It is because this reason only. Because when we are sick, our body is not in the condition to digest the food. So if we take glucose, we can directly get the energy without undergoing any digestion process and using our energy for digestion of food. We will have a quick recall of whatever we learned yesterday. Yesterday we learned the definition of digestion. Then we learned about the different compartments of digestive tract. Then we learned about the different glands which are secreting digestive juices. And then we learned about the two parts of digestion, that is mechanical part and the chemical part of digestion. Now we will see the digestion occurs in the different compartments of digestive tract. We will start with mouth and buccal cavity. But before we see how digestion occurs or takes place in this area, we will see or learn more about this mouth and buccal cavity. You all know that what is ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking food in the body. When any human being take the food and this food is entering in the mouth, the mechanical digestion starts. Mechanical digestion takes place by the help of the teeth present in the mouth and buccal cavity. A child is having 20 teeth, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. These teeth are known as milk teeth. These teeth fall off by the age of 10 and then the new set of teeth is there, that is known as permanent teeth. An adult human being is having 32 teeth. Look at this picture. It shows the arrangement of teeth. Here in the upper jaw 16 teeth are there and in the lower jaw 16 teeth are there. The front 4 chisel-shaped teeth are incisors. They are used for cutting and biting the food. On the either side of these incisors, canines are there. They are the sharp pointed teeth which help to tear and pierce the food. On the back side of canines, premolars and molars are there. They help to grind the food. So in each jaw, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars are there. Total 16 in one jaw and 16 plus 16 in the other jaw makes 32 teeth. The teeth break down the food into smaller pieces. That is called mastication. This is this mechanical digestion, and after that the chemical digestion starts in the mouth. In chemical digestion, saliva is there. Saliva is one type of watery fluid which is produced by the salivary glands present in the mouth. This saliva is a chemical substance. It has enzymes in it which help to digest the food into the simpler form. Here the saliva digests the carbohydrates or you can say starch and converts it into a simple sugar. When you chew any bread or roti, when you keep on chewing it for some time, you can Observe that at the end the roti or bread tastes sweet. It is because that roti or bread contains starch in it, and when it gets chewed with along with the saliva, it is digesting the carbohydrate present or starch present in it into the simple sugar, and you know that the taste of sugar is sweet. Besides teeth, tongue also plays an important role in digestion. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ which is attached at the backside of the buccal cavity to the floor of buccal cavity, and it is free from the front side. This tongue can move in all directions. This tongue helps to chew the food and it mixes it with saliva. It is also helping to swallow the food. This tongue helps us for speaking also. This tongue is having taste buds on it. These taste buds are present on the tongue and they are the specific areas for different type of taste. You can see here that this area is for the bitter taste. These two taste buds on the either side are for sour taste. These two taste buds are for the salty taste, and these can detect the sweet taste. But scientists have proven this as wrong. As per the scientists, no, the tongue is having taste buds present all over the area of it, and each taste bud can detect all types of taste. Now it's time for recapitulation. Today we have learned about the digestion that occurs in the mouth and buccal cavity. In that we have learned the role of teeth and tongue which helps in digestion. Now here we have learned that an adult human being is having 32 teeth. We have seen in the picture the arrangement of teeth, the different types of teeth and their functions. In a human being, the teeth are there which are of different types like incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are used to cut and bite the food. Canines are used to pierce and tear the food. Premolars and molars are used to chew and grind the food. Then we learnt about mechanical digestion, which involves the breaking down of food into smaller pieces. After that we learned about the chemical digestion that occurs in the mouth and buccal cavity. Here the saliva plays an important role to digest the starch into the simpler form. Then we learned the role of tongue in digestion. The tongue plays an important role by helping to chew the food and mixing it with the saliva. It also helps to swallow the food. It helps us to speak, and it also having the taste buds which are helping us to detect the different tastes. Today's homework is refer extra marks app for today's topic. Then refer the given link given in the next image for the activity to test the action of saliva on food. Then today's question is, Raman's mother does not allow him to talk while eating. Why? What is the reason behind it? I repeat the question. Raman's mother does not allow him to talk while eating. Why? What is the reason behind it? Just ready with your answers by tomorrow. We will meet once again tomorrow with the same chapter. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning.